Welcome to another Unboxing Affordable Tech. Today I want to talk to you about a friend. He shall remain anonymous, but he was busted by the cops. Busted by the cops for using his mobile phone while driving. Big no-no here in Australia. You do that, you will do the crime, you will do the time. So, here's a solution. I was going through the whole internet, all of it, and I came across this eBay site, and it's great. And I wanted something to hold my phone and actually be safe, but also to look snazzy. I don't want something that's kind of, you know, there's so many things that attach to your screen, your mirrors and your windows and all sorts of things. I just wanted something that was cool. Found this and I think it's a good solution. Well, it's one that I like. It looks cool. Came packaged like this. And it's called the Smart Sensor Car Wireless Charger. Dun, dun, dun. Doesn't that look pretty? It's gold. Comes in different colours. This is a gold one. And we're going to plug this in because it does something pretty cool. So let's do that now. Let's have a look what you get in the box. You get the packaging, you get the clip that clips into the air vent of your car, and that goes into the back of that. Then there's a little screw that screws that on, and that's all there is to it. USB cable. Ooh, USB cable. Let's have a look. Might be a little bit of a gimmick, but it's cool. So USB into your USB charger and your cigarette lighter in your car, or if you've got USB ports, as most cars do today, you'll see that. So let's just plug this in. I'm just going to plug it into my USB charger and plug that in there. Oh, and we are ready to go. Let's have a look. How does this work? Grab your phone. Oh, put the phone in. Are you kidding? And it's a wireless charger as well. Look at that, charging. So on the back of this, that's cool. On the back here, there's a little sensor. Oh yeah, actually how would that work? Let's say it's open. No, you gotta open it. Try and put my card sitting on the vent. So I just have to reach around. Oh yeah, should be able to do that. Reach around and touch that. It opens up. It's like it's waving. Anyway, this is cool. If you're looking for something to hold your phone in your car, and you need something, this will do the job. It looks cool. And it moves. And it charges your car. It charges your phone at the same time. How good is that? It charges your phone. Alright. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. Say goodbye. Goodbye.